welcome to Tech channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you tips and tricks on your PC that everyone should know. So it's a very basic, essential tips and tricks that I'm going to teach you. Okay, first of all, let me begin with you on how to bring back a closed browser tab. If you accidentally closed a browser tab, you can simply bring back. Let me share with you the tips. Example, I have opened up two browser tabs, which are bootable USB flash drive and another one is download Windows 10. So let's say I closed the download Windows 10 browser accidentally, and then how do I bring back? So this is one of the most common problems that many users might have. So let me share with you on how to bring back this accidentally closed browser tab. You just need to simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Again, Ctrl plus Shift plus T. So I'm going to press it right now and it should bring back the closed browser. You need to press the three keys together. So there you go, the accidentally closed browser is back. So by simply pressing these three buttons, you should be able to bring back your accidentally closed browser. Cool, isn't it? Go ahead and try yourself. Let me bet with you, most of us wouldn't know there are few shortcut keys that you can use to control watching videos on YouTube. There are four letters. What are they? The alphabet K, J, L and M. You can use these four letters to control your video watching on YouTube from your PC. So let me share with you how they work. K for pausing, J and L for backward and forward, and alphabet M to mute. Okay, let me show you one by one. For this, I'll be showing you a video of my blog from the YouTube channel Tech. Let me open up this. Right, it's playing now. Let me pause by keying in the letter K. Okay, you saw it. By simply typing K, you can pause the video. So now, how to play the video back? Just click the K again and it should play again. Okay, the next alphabet that I'm going to show you is J. By keying in J, you should move backward. So now for J, it will move 10 seconds back. Okay, you saw it. And now for L, it will move 10 seconds forward. So you saw there, from 5 it went to 15. So now let me turn up the volume a bit. I actually muted just now due to the high volume. So let me play with the volume, and I'm going to press M so it will mute the video. So there you go, you can see here it went mute. So these are the YouTube keyboard shortcuts that you may try. Go ahead guys, just feel free to try. Do you know that Windows has a hidden GodMod? What is that? GodMod folder lists out all the operating settings onto one folder. Yes guys, all the centralized control panel program tasks will be listed onto this particular folder. How to create it? Let me share with you. So you need to have this godmod.accidental sentence copied out. So this will help you create an icon where it will bring you to all the operating system settings. So you copy over the sentence and you create a new folder on the desktop and name the folder GodMod.accidentlly. Just paste it over and then just click onto the desktop, and there you go. You get the list of all program tasks. Let me open up. So there you go, the holy grail of control panel. All the settings are here. You do not need to go to the control panel. Just create this shortcut and you'll have access to all the operating system settings. Cool, isn't it? Just try it. It's damn easy and it doesn't cost anything. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to my channel, Tech Tech, and do follow me on my Instagram channel as well. I hope you have enjoyed my tips and tricks for Windows PC. So feel free to try out all the tips and tricks that I've shared with you in this tutorial. If you need to know other tips and tricks, just simply comment in the comment section and I will try to do some of these tips and tricks based on your requests. Thanks for watching this video and stay home, stay safe during this lockdown period. Thank you guys.